Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to install and review the Topfit Touch Screen Protector for the Model Y. This one is in the matte finish. We will unbox it, tell you what it comes with, show you how to install it, give you a quick review of it, tell you where to buy it, and if it's worthwhile. All of that to come in this video. So what's in this box? You get a sheet of installation instructions, 2 of these installation auxiliary tool packages. We'll show you what's inside that in a second, and of course the matte finish screen protector. Inside that auxiliary package of installation tools, a little dust absorber, which is basically tape, package of LCD cleaning wipes, and a wee microfiber cloth. There you go. So now here we are with our screen. As you can tell, it's a really highly reflective surface. This is going to help cut down on the glare, the reflections, and the fingerprints that seem to attract on the screen quite a bit. So the first thing you want to do is line things up when it comes to the screen. And I've used some painter's tape here attached to the back of the screen to hold the screen protector in place while I complete the installation. You don't have to do that, I just found it easy. The dust absorber thing, really just like I said, double-sided tape, but it does help quite a bit in picking up little pieces of lint, little pieces of dust that are attracted to the screen. Once you get all that done and as clean as you possibly can get it, peel back the protective backing from the screen protector and attach a corner of it to the top of it. In this case is what I've done, and then completely remove the rest of that film from the screen protector. Once you get this all off here, making sure to keep it perfectly aligned, it almost installs itself. So as you can see here, a little swipe of the hand, and there it goes, sticking to the screen. Ideally, you want to work from the center and push all the bubbles towards the edges, but as you can see, I mean, it really does do it itself. This screen protector is also, I found it to be rather forgiving in its installation, and I'll show you what I mean in a couple of seconds when I get to these 3 big bubbles you see in the middle that don't seem to want to leave. All the other ones we're able to push out pretty simply, but that one and those 3 in the middle just took up residence and didn't want to leave. At this point, there's no use in keeping that tape on there, so off it comes. Here's where the forgiveness of this particular installation comes into play. You can remove this and reattach it as many times as you like. I mean, within reason, of course. And there you go. This one little bubble, as you can see in the middle, really doesn't want to go anywhere. He kind of likes it where he is. But, you know, eventually, over time, it goes away. Quick wipe, and she's done. So here's the final product. As you can see, that little bubble in the middle did end up disappearing. Great screensaver. It really cuts down on the glare. What do we think of this thing? Price-wise, you can't really beat this. It's $22 on the Canadian Amazon site. I will put a link in the description below so you can get to this thing. Ease of installation is really easy to install. I say under 10 minutes, but you can probably get this done in about 5. Fit-wise, fits really well. There's a little bit of an area on the bottom that would be better, so I give it a 4.5 stars there. Functionality, I don't notice any difference in the functionality with this on. Value-wise, $22, hey, how can you beat that? That's a great price for a screen protector. So overall, yeah, you take all of that into account. I think for $22, this is a great way to protect your screen on your car. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. And as well, why don't you subscribe to the channel? You get a lot more videos coming soon with a unique Canadian perspective on Tesla accessories and installations. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.